morning, dear students. How are you all? Hope you all are happy and healthy. So let's start today our GK subject. So in GK subject on page number 43 of your GK textbook, we are going to start today lesson number 28. The name of lesson 28 is famous names and real names. Person who are the famous and what is their real name. So we will learn in this chapter name of the famous person and what are their real names. So here is the one instruction for you. Given below is a list of some famous authors, artists, leaders and historical figures from India. The name by which we know person, their name, they wrote something, book, or that book is so famous in the way, in form of the name is given as author. So we know the name of the author, but we don't know the real name of that author. So these people are not their real names. So their real name is not which we see as an author. So write down their real name using the clues given below. So here are the answers. That is the real name of that person. And the first one part is famous name. We know the person with this name and the real name we are going to write on this section from the clue box. So first one is Tulsidas. We know the person is Tulsidas, but the name of the Tulsidas is Ram Bola. So name Ram Bola, and later he became famous with the name Tulsidas. Second one is Munshi Premchand, famous author. So Munshi Premchand real name is Dhanpat Rai Srivastav. Number 3, Sumitra Nandan Pant. Sumitra Nandan Pant, and the real name is Gosen Dutt. Number 4, Mirza Ghalib, famous person Mirza Ghalib. So name of this real person is Mirza Asdullah Beg Khan. Again Mirza Asdullah Beg Khan. And number 5, Swami Dayanand Saraswati. Swami Dayanand Saraswati, name of this person real name is Mool Shankar Tiwari. See children, from this chapter we can know the real name and the person famous with the name we know, but the real name we will come through this chapter. So it is good thing that we know that what is the real name and how we became famous, and we know the person with the famous, their work by the author or any work that did, or as in form of a leader also. And next one is here number 6, Swami Ramakrishna Paramhans. Swami Ramakrishna Paramhans, is real name is Gadadhar Chattopadhyay. Say again, Gadadhar Chattopadhyay. And next one is Swami Vivekanand. Swami Vivekanand, and the real name of Swami Vivekanand is Narendranath Dutt. So this is the famous person's real name. And next one is Indira Gandhi. Number 8, Indira Gandhi, Indian leader. So name of the Indira Gandhi, Indira Priyadarshini Nehru. Okay, daughter of Nehru, and here is the name full Indira Priyadarshini. Okay, Gandhi is the surname and Nehru is the father name. And next one is Birbal. Story of the Birbal we know. So how became a Birbal, and the real name of the Birbal is Mahesh Das Bhatt. And next one is Lakshmi Bai. Okay, so Lakshmi Bai, the leader of the India, also fought for India. So Lakshmi Bai real name is Manikarnika. And also movie, you also might be, few students have seen, movie name was Manikarnika. Okay, and next one is Purandara Das. So Purandara Das real name is Srinivas Naika. So Srinivas Naika. And next one is, yes, Maharishi Valmiki. So name of Maharishi Valmiki real name is Ratnakara. So Ratnakara. So here are the real name of the famous person, and here are the famous person name. We know the person with this name, but from this chapter we came to know the real name of the famous person. So students, we are going to write this exercise in textbook, that is we are going to complete answers in this exercise of this chapter, and also write in notebook this chapter exercise one time. Thank you students, have a nice day.